Hi, everybody. Thank you all for coming. My name is Jason Stein. I'm one of the co-organizers here of the Introduction to Imaging Genetics course. To try to keep everything on time, we're going to go ahead and get started exactly 8 o'clock. Today, we're going to learn about Introduction to Imaging Genetics. We're going to learn about one of the most fundamental processes, how genetic variation influences the structure and the function of the human brain. We have a really great set of speakers from all around the world to tell you about modern methodology for doing so, the theory for doing so, and to give you some practical applications of learning imaging genetics. So we're going to start out by learning about the methods and application of studying genetic variation. How do we even measure genetic variation and what type of genetic variation exists in the brain? Then we're going to go into what imaging genetics has found previously. And heritability analyses, understanding if a trait is influenced by genetics at all, is it worthy of doing imaging genetics analyses? We're going to talk about reproducibility of these findings, which is a controversial and really important part of doing genetic association studies. Then we'll have experts talk about searching for common variants and doing imputation and meta-analysis for common variant type of studies. And after that, we'll have an understanding of doing rare variant type of association analyses. Finally, we will have some interpretation of the hits that you find. So after you go about finding genetic variants influencing the structure or function of the human brain, how do you explore those hits and understand their biological relevance? So I think it'll be a really exciting time.